Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the car to ACC, so the head unit is active. This lets the system scan for devices. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone and clear prior pairings if they conflict. Make sure the unit is set to the correct input, Bluetooth, USB, or Android Auto, and position your phone on a mount. You need the USB cable for Android Auto or power. Bluetooth alone suffices for basic navigation audio. Now begin the unit's pairing search. Now you pair the phone. Choose Pair New Device on the Baleno screen, then accept the match code on your phone. This creates the Bluetooth link. If you prefer Android Auto or CarPlay, plug the USB cable into the car's port and follow the on-screen consent prompts. Make sure to allow all requested permissions. Once connected, open Google Maps Waze or Apple Maps and grant location and microphone access, so voice guidance and routing work smoothly while driving. Finish by confirming audio plays through the car speakers and that voice directions are audible. Test a short route. Make sure the mount is secure and the cable tucks away safely, and set auto launch for Android Auto or CarPlay if the unit supports it. If the GPS won't connect, reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or try a different USB cable. Often a faulty cable causes problems. If pairing still fails, remove the device from the car list and reinitiate pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.